Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all Dynamite Shrimp recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your home. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज भने तपाईहरु माझमा मैले डायनामाइट श्रिम्प को रेसिपी लिएर आएको छु र यो वान अफ द आइकन रेसिपी हो। त्यसपछि हाम्रो नेपाली किचनमा अथवा हाम्रो नेपाली टेस्टसँग नि मिल्दोजुल्दो स्वीट, ट्याङ्गी अनि स्पाइसी फ्लेभर भएको हो र तपाईले त्यसै कारणले गर्दा घर पनि आफ्नो परिवारसँग बसेर ट्राई गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्र पनि यो रेसिपीलाई प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। द आइकन डायनामाइट श्रिम्प रेसिपी, crispy golden shrimp toasted in creamy spicy dynamite sauce. This is a restaurant style appetizer that's always wow. Dynamite shrimp recipe ingredients 2 to 3 portion for shrimp, 300 gram medium shrimp, peeled divide tail off, half cup all purpose flour, half cup cornstarch, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika or cayenne optional. 1 egg plus 2 tablespoons cold water for batter, oil for dipping fry. For dynamite sauce, half cup mayonnaise, Kewpie mayo if available, 2 to 3 tablespoons Sriracha adjust heat, 1 teaspoon honey balance heat, 1 teaspoon lemon juice or rice vinegar, pinch of garlic powder optional. Method: make the sauce in a bowl, mix together mayo, Sriracha, honey, lemon juice and garlic powder, then seal it. Prepare the shrimp. Part shrimp dry with the paper towel. In one bowl, mix flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper and paprika. In another, whisk egg plus water. Fry shrimp. Dip shrimp in egg mixture, then drain in flour mixture. Heat oil 170 to 180 centigrade, about 340 to 350 Fahrenheit, and fry shrimp in batches until golden, about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain on paper towel. Toss in sauce. Place fried shrimp in large bowl. Drizzle with the dynamite sauce and toast lightly until coated. Serve. Plate in a martini glass, bowl or lettuce cups for restaurant style presentation. Garnish with the sesame seed, sliced scallion or chili threads. Chef tips for extra crunch: double dip shrimp, egg flour. Sauce should be added just before serving to keep shrimp crispy. Works beautifully with calamari, chicken bites or even cauliflower as bread. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look, many more recipes are there and enjoy with your family and friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ तपाईहरु सबैजनालाई भिडियो हेरिदिनु भएकोमा र स्वस्थ रहनुहोस्, मस्त रहनुहोस्, जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ खुसीको साथ आफ्नो लाइफलाई जिउनु होला। Thank you very much. See you next in the video. Love you all. Ciao.